namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel, yeah, of course. Namtata like Ben Mangan, the president. Loing at King obviously. Was go Mr. Post. Then from there, that came like Gondi boy. Loing at King of course, Nashavsikis and also Ben president. Then Amakomo, that he continue, of course, not befitting not between DJ Gift and also Shavusikis. Yeah, tani of course, mshtiwa kuna wina ku ti 8 ta February akuna event yeah, le Palms very mshtiwa of course yi coverango event le very ndiro shinganda ku yi coverango ku matter of course befilling akona between Gagash and also the twins and stuff like that ramakalewa so yeah. First of all, very tani mshtuwa ku ashunga kahle akuba a tradition nje kaze ka ha ne spend more time on it akutala shi obvious mkarhi hinkwalu ze wona Ben president ka tala swinene le Palms Slim akutele le phati leyi tera of course it's beef to so Mr. Post anga siyiwangi ne so fike twa president mangana of course ifika yiku Meza vedo obviously boss ngo Mr. Boss very bana antiso avala ku yingisela guys xilo xi nga ta hinga xi avoid ku ngo Mr. Boss loko khe na ka project ya 2023 and 2024 standard xana xi chike ngopfu ku very fike twisa phela ngo Mr. Boss is competing with Ben Mainga my to standard xi fika xi cheka ngopfu loko hi languta from 2022 la di Ben swinene mi swi twina then 2023 and 2024 mukuma ku Ben Mainga iyo fika like in the way a shedela mukuma ku shaka level yo saba bekiti in some way okay of course he compare their projects wa yona makaliwa so then ka lembe ra 2025 no so ngo post of course akhamiri so I don't know hey ha sho ku dina planning wa ku kumba ngofu but kulala ntiyiso the project still now ne clever yeri again very below standard okay compare na project ya Ben Mainga the president wa yona so clearly 2024 strategy show me ashite rank rantis ashite rank look him compared to Ben Mainga very in some way it's more like say compete so Mr. Boss na Dr. Joy Sherima leswi a sweswi nga ndisi swona ku level ene a yi fike va kha hi compete na Ben Mainga you see so arrange mina I don't know what is plan na 2025 we can see is still the same strategy na 2024 msho plan ene ku va kha miel and mina swo swi nga ri ku tirheni ku lantiso swa swi nga ri ku tirheni because in terms of relevance ku va ku ri Ben Mainga in most cases va a car more relevant throughout the year mhaka leyi so arrange guys arrange mhaka yaleyo mi ta vona ku mi commentisa ku yini mara mina ku hi mina I don't think it's a good strategy yeah in terms of advice album hi endlini a vlog hi kona ka channel yeah, you can watch it for more details and stuff like that. Yeah, and then of course, okay, so okay, yeah, Magata Gondi boy, no, of course, only linka kuna Shavusikis and also Ben Mainga the president, very. So it 8 February, of course, if you wanna Shavusikis, of course, I've got this post lang afatsela ko ni posting nyana coming soon featuring Gondi boy, as you can see, kola ni posting nyana coming soon. So sim of course rivitana ku ni posting nyana so swi vula ku loyi hi languta kahle mhaka leri risimu leri ku nga kha ku ri ra Shavusikis ne la nga ta ka feature Gondi boy however loko mhaka leyi hi languta ka swi kombi na ku even Ben Mainga the president i ta va a ri kona ka risimu leriwa of course I can't really confirm it for now but swi kombi na ku no president Mainga yi nga va koka risimu unless if ku yo va a coincidence mfika mukuma ku afika hi kuma mrhanga phanda ko le studio leyi I don't know so swi tikombi leswi nga ta ndisa swona and ku nga ku ri an album ku nga ku Gondo Boy a ya wela ka an album loko Hlawusikiza a swi talanga a humesa ti-single swo endla risimu leri fika hi ri twa ka album ya Hlawusikiza. So it's possible ku President Mayengani of course yi nga va yi ri kona ka the same song la nga ta kha ku na Gondo Boy yona mhaka liwa leswi ti kombisaka swo kwalano. So swi vula ku Gondo Boy ta kha a tlangeriwa xitokofela xa feature. I'm joking and loko swi humelela guys ku ta va ku ri a dream come true. Because clearly of course loko a sungula career ka music of course are inspired by Ben Mayengani hala masunguleni vhele ni nga vekela yin'wana ya ti-clips ta yena vhele kwalaho. So of course that song will be home as a song. That clip I can be home as a song. As you can hear, I can from side line there, nkelo, I get and stuff like that. It was good, but of course, lo sen karoa ka ufamba very Gondo Boy ibe a transform in a way kuma avana his own identity. Ni ka vula tani loko se aya ka generally of course ya electro kulantisi loko se hi vona hala ka electro na tinsimu ta yena va belo hi vi hi swi twa ku se ivi a transforma a va ka his own la a nga ha ri hansi ngopfu a nga ha ri hansi ka Ben Mayengani. Loko loko ku ri a lo fambe hi genre leya electro ya Ndzumba a ta va a ri hansi ka Ben Mayengani and ni tshembi mina ku a ta va a humelelini a fika la nga fika kona wona mhaka leyiwa leswi ni swi vonisaka swona. So he was inspired by Ben Mayengani. So if impela ukumeka a ri ka the same song na Ben President ku ri a dream come true to him leswi swi vonisaka swona and no Ben President yi komba yi nga na problem na yena nga mi swona of course yi n'wi tlangerini xitokofela of course ka birthday ya yona le Colombia le a ri kona yi n'wi hey yana Gondo Boy vangela xitokofela of course a ri kona ya swi komba a yi na problem na yena in overall he does not have a problem with him yo n'wi languta as n'wana la nga hansi ka yona but loko ku ri a lo continue na Ndzumba a ni tshembi a ta fika laha a nga fika ko sweswiwa hi side ra electro so i mhaka kahle swinene. So ta hi vona of course ku swi ta kha swi fambisa ku yini and then of course hi tlhela ka DJ Gift na Hlawusikiza. So hi ti 8 February fike hi vona Hlawusikiza fika tsala a post ma fa tsala ku I'm a god, just call me a god. So statement lexi fike xi twisa a nga vuli ku i mbuti leyi vula ku DJ Gift a vula ku mbuti leya very greatest of all time sweswiya leswi a zama ku vula swona not a literal mbuti ne. However DJ Gift used this opportunity to strike back because the following day ka 9 February fike hi vona DJ Gift a fa tsala this post aku u va na voice ya god, you are not a god man. No ka just xi loko ku ri kahle va n'wi xi n'wi khomeketini kahle se Sikiza manjeni mi nga mi swona eka previous video xi vona a yi suke kusuka na again xi ku a wu mbuti like I the greatest of all time ne ho va mbuti leya ya mbuti ya mbe
لا لا برضه ما تطلع الجعر هاي زي شلبي ايوه ظبط.
So for now guys without fear or favor DJ Gift is winning strategy xa hi xi le ku tirheni and ku ri kahle leya god leyi ya ha to win wa ha to wina ka voice yambi as long a tshama ka swi twikanyana a little bit a swi cincacanyana you will continue to win leya side ra you will continue to win i le ku beni ka nkarhi wa sweswi hi yena champion for now hi leswo DJ Gift yi le ku yiseni nyimpi phushani wa for swi ta pfuna swinene na ti-project ta n'wina hi leswo loko ri amukeza swi ka banda kombela mi tlika subscribe.
Kasi why lava timovha ta swikorokoro va rhandza ku ti tsalatsala u ta va kuma va tsale vulavulo ta karhala swi ta ku vava mara lava timovha ta ku durha va tsali swi endliwe yini kahle eyi karheleni sikorokoro loko goza la